Hello students, we are solving the IB Math AA AGL past paper questions and currently we are solving the IB Math AA AGL May 2023 paper 2 time zone 1 past paper. Today we will be solving the question number 8 of this paper and you will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlists in my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. So without any further delay, let us start answering question number 8. The maximum mark is 7. It says the angle between the line and a plane is alpha. Okay, so maybe this is the plane and maybe this is the line and this is, if this is the point of intersection, then this is the angle alpha. Okay. And alpha is between 0 and pi by 2. Alpha is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. Alpha is a real number. That means it is an angle from the first quadrant. It is an acute angle. Okay. The equation of the line is x minus 1 over 3 equal to y plus 2 over 2 equal to 5 minus z. And the equation of the plane is 4x plus cos alpha times y plus sine alpha times z equal to 1. Find the value of alpha. Okay. So, fine. This line, let me take this as L, the line L. So, and this is the plane pi, maybe. Okay. So, line L, it is, I can write this as x minus 1 over 3 equal to y plus 2 over 2 equal to z minus 5 over negative 1. Okay. Therefore, the direction vector will be equal to 3, 2 and negative 1. Clear? For the line. This is the direction and this is the line. So you can take the direction vector in this way. For the plane, it is plane pi is 4x plus cos alpha y. Sorry, it should be this way plus this is equal to 1. And from here we can, because we know the equation of the plane as equal to, right? So from here I am getting the normal vector normal to the plane as 4 and cos alpha and sine alpha. Okay, let me draw the normal vector to the plane. Maybe this is the normal vector to the plane. Okay, and since it is a normal vector, it will be normal to every line which is on the plane pi. Definitely this is a line on the plane pi, so it will be normal to this line. That means this angle will be a 90 degree. Okay, so let me just take it to this level, and this is the normal vector, and I'm taking this to be the direction vector. Okay, fine. So for this right angle triangle, this one, this angle is alpha, this is 90 degree. And what is this angle? This is the angle of intersection between the two vectors, the direction vector of the line and the normal vector to the plane. Okay, so this angle has to be equal to 90 degree minus alpha. So I'm writing it as pi by 2 minus alpha. Okay, and now we are required to give the value of alpha. So I am doing the dot product. So n dot d will be equal to 4 cos alpha sine alpha dot 3, 2 and negative 1. And this should be equal to, the magnitude of the normal vector times by the magnitude of the direction vector, and then cos of the angle between these two vectors. And what is the angle between these two vectors? This is pi by 2 minus alpha. Okay. So therefore, now I am doing the dot product. 4 times 3 is 12. Cos alpha times 2 is 2 cos alpha. And this is minus sine alpha. This should be equal to, now, magnitude of the normal vector, normal to the plane. So this is this, which is 4 square plus cos square alpha plus sine square alpha times the direction vector, magnitude of the direction vector, it is 3 square plus 2 square plus negative 1 whole square. Okay. And cos pi by 2 minus alpha is sine alpha. You have to know this portion of trigonometry. So this is sine alpha. Even if you input, because ultimately we will be using the calculator. So if you want, you can input cos pi by 2 minus alpha. That is also fine, equally fine. Calculator will be doing the conversion for you. Okay. So, but in case you know the conversion, you can write it as sine alpha. Okay. So this is equal to 12 plus 2 cos alpha minus sine alpha equal to, this is 4 square is 16 and cos square alpha plus sine square alpha is 1. So 16 plus 1 will be 17. So it is square root of 17 times, this one is 9, this one is 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Sine alpha. Okay. And now we have to solve this using the calculator to get the value of alpha. Okay, so this is the calculator and we have to go to menu and then algebra and the numerical solve. In solve, it is 12 plus 2 cos alpha. I'm taking x minus sine alpha minus sine x, okay, equal to square root of 17, square root of 17 times square root of 4, I have to come, 14, and then times by sine alpha. Okay. Times by sine alpha. Okay, and then comma and x, and we come out and okay. I've taken x in place of alpha. And we are getting the value of alpha as 0.93238 and all up to 3 significant figures, it is 0.932. Okay. So therefore, using GDC, alpha equal to 0.932, correct, up to 3 significant figures. Okay. So students, we have answered this question number 8 completely. Thank you for watching. I am Nilanjana Sanyal. I am an online IB Math SL and HL level tutor. I tutor students from both within India and outside India, and I offer both one-on-one and small group online tutoring services to my students. In case you are liking my explanations, please to give this video a like and please to share this video with your friends so that even they can get benefited by watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel till now. It will be motivating me to make more math videos for you. I'll be knowing that I am being able to help you. And in case you are having any questions, any doubts, please feel free to write to me in the comment section. I'll be answering your doubts. I'll be clearing your doubts as much as possible. And we meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.